Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Top Gaming Tech Place here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we shall look at how you can properly install this app correctly on your console step by step as you watch this video. But first, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. So for this to work, you need to format your external USB as an exFAT. Then you can install the base file first. After the base has installed completely, now install the update file, and when the update file has fully installed, you can finally install the license file as well. So after you have fully installed all these files, now you can launch the app and everything will be fine. Okay, so if by any chance you get an error code while launching any app, first close the app and log out from your current user account. Then create and log into another user, and now try launching the same app again and let us see the result. Please, if you do not understand or if you have any questions, do not hesitate. Comment down below and I will do my best to respond as quickly as possible.